If you attend online meetings regularly, background noise can be a huge distraction. That is where Krisp comes in. In this review, I will cover what Krisp is, its key features, pros and cons, and whether it's worth using in 2026. What is Krisp? Krisp is an AI powered audio enhancement tool designed to improve call quality during meetings, interviews, webinars, and online collaboration. It works with popular platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Discord, and Slack. Its main goal is simple: remove unwanted noise and make your voice sound clearer. Key features: one of Crisp's biggest features is AI noise cancellation. It removes background sounds such as keyboard typing, barking dogs, traffic noise, and office chatter in real time. Another useful feature is echo removal, which helps eliminate room echo and improves audio clarity. Crisp also offers AI meeting notes and transcriptions. It can automatically record meeting summaries, action items, and important discussion points, helping users stay organized. There is also accent localization, which can make speech easier to understand during conversations with international teams. Pros: first, Crisp delivers excellent noise cancellation and remains one of the best tools in this category. Second, it's easy to set up and works with most major communication platforms. Third, the meeting transcription and summary features can save a lot of time after meetings. And finally, it runs locally for many audio processing tasks, helping reduce privacy concerns compared to some cloud only solutions. Cons: the free plan has limitations, so heavy users will likely need a paid subscription. AI generated meeting notes are generally accurate, but they may occasionally miss context or require minor corrections. Also, some advanced features are only available on higher tier plans. Pricing: Krisp offers a free plan for basic usage, while paid plans unlock unlimited noise cancellation, advanced meeting features, and more transcription capabilities. Pricing can change over time, so it's always worth checking the latest plans on the official website. Final verdict: so is Krisp worth it in 2026? If your work involves frequent online meetings, remote collaboration, customer calls, or interviews, Krisp is one of the best AI tools available. Its noise cancellation is outstanding, and the added meeting notes and transcription features provide even more value. For most professionals, remote workers, and content creators, Krisp is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.